Hi farmers, this is KS Naveen, working as Zonal Demand Generation Manager in Sumitomo Chemical. Sumimax should be sprayed between 0 to 36 hours after sowing soybean. Sumimax should be used within the prescribed timelines, that is 48 hours of sowing the soybean. Sumimax should not be used in light soils. Sumimax should not be used in the fields which are undulated or slopy. After using Sumimax, we should ensure that the field is not over-irrigated or it is flooded with water. While applying Sumimax, we should ensure that the soil is thoroughly covered to get the desired results. To get the desired results of Sumimax, we should ensure that all the above precautions are strictly followed.